How to download YouTube video on your laptop or on your desktop computer. Go to Google Chrome and open it. Then scroll to the video you want to download. Then here, let me take a look at this video. Then click on these three dots. Then you see this option that says download. Click on it. Once you click on that option, it comes out like this. Under download quality, if you are using the free version, you have standard and we have lower, or you have standard, you have low. But if you use the premium version, you have the full HD and the high. So I'm using the free version. Click on the standard, then click on this button that says download. Once you download it, you can watch this video on your computer without the internet. That's the first way you can download a video. Then let's take, for example, you are watching a particular video and you want to save that video on your device. Click on the video. Says you are watching this particular video and you want to download it. Then scroll down to this three dots again. Click on it. Then you see this download option. Click on this download option. Then it comes out like this. Then you can download the standard or you can download from the full HD. That's all. Then click on this download button. Once you've done that, then this video will download on your device. You can watch it later even without internet. That's all, guys, on how to download any video on YouTube and watch later on your device. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.